the way, I'm all the way, oh, to the top.
Welcome back to Blazing Sky, y'all. Johnny here. Sky and Mellow. She got some new goggles on for her helmet. Yay, yay, yay. Alright, we're taking a ride out today to check out some of the destruction that the storm from yesterday has brought. We ourselves got 3 broken windows in our house, and a bunch of water went pouring in. There was like a hailstorm. There was a river in front of our street. The water came up to our bumper. But we're gonna go check some things out. Unfortunately, someone did lose their life yesterday. There was a flood, and we're gonna go check some of these areas out. There was a truck deep underwater over there south of the mall. The water was like up to the roof line. We also saw a video of someone's SUV being swept away. Someone showed me a picture of their apartment where the water was 2 feet from reaching the top of the carport. So yeah, a lot of bad stuff happened yesterday. And we were also delayed a couple hours to open up at the farmer's market because we couldn't leave our house. There was just so much water. And that little girl would have been swept away. We couldn't even let our dogs out. The dogs would have went swimming or just been swept away. A few things ended up in front of our yard, like 2 extra trash cans just found their way to our house. They were stuck on our rear bumper. There's a pallet down there as well. So if you guys are missing a trash can or a pallet, hey, comment below. This whole parking lot right here was flooded. Like, people's cars were underwater here for a minute. A lot of debris everywhere. Let's go, 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 go. So it's hard to imagine that all this just happened yesterday. I've never seen it so flooded in my life. Like, we've got to have some flood insurance here for our house. All the roads closed off. Oh yeah, there's still a lot of water there. Can't even cross. Look at this over here. Wow. That's terrible, terrible. This is where someone lost their life. There's signs over here on the road that says, turn around, don't drown, but... Oh, there's a sign right here. When flooded, turn around, don't drown. And there's the same sign over there on the other side as well. It didn't have to happen.
Yeah. We're not doing anything. We're just taking a picture of water. He's complaining.
Okay, so yeah, we're here in the middle of downtown. Broken crosswalk signs and stuff over here. Yeah, we had a bad storm, very, very bad storm, guys. So we're headed to Elmer Thomas Park now to see if there's anything out there that looks crazy and out of order. You know, they're building this water park here. I wonder if any of that stuff got damaged. Oh, prairie doggy. Yip, 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 yip. Aw, baby. We could have came and tested out the slide while it was storming really bad. Nothing looks bad out here. Nothing really looks out of place. A lot of loose gravel here. I'm glad the tank's safe. Oh, yeah. Not much destruction here. Like, I guess it got bad in certain areas, and some areas didn't get much at all, so I don't know what happened. Looks like this side of town was lucky. Like they didn't get all the hail that we got or something. Let's go check out this Liberty Lake area, Liberty Park. I guess the water didn't come up that high over here. You see doggy? Look at all this stuff on the bridge. This was full. Yeah, this was full. Meow. Yeah, that's the hill I want to climb.
Going to Target?
Yeah, I'm going there. It don't look bad at all out here, man. Over there downtown, there's broken crosswalk signs, everything. All bad down there. I'm going through all this. Woohoo! Okay, that's cool. Oh man, I'm muddy. Whoa, what the hell? There's a bunch of sticks and stuff in here. Alright, cool. Guys, it is truly a blessing to be able to wake up every day and be surrounded by your loved ones and just being able to do what we love. Life is short. Make the best of every moment and cherish every day, because we never know if we'll see tomorrow. Oh yeah, and to that guy in the maroon truck who pulled up on Sky and Mellow, mind your business. Don't be that guy.
On the way.